So guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Digital Piro, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to edit videos using InShot. So if you're new on this channel, ensure you like this video, drop a comment, and also subscribe to this channel. So I don't be wasting much of your time. Let's just go straight into why we're here. So just go to your Play Store and download InShot on your phone. So right here, I'll just go ahead and open my own InShot application. So I just opened InShot, so you can see this is what the interface looks like. Once you download InShot, this is what you'll be welcome with. So for you to edit videos on InShot, very simple guys. What you do is go to where you have the video part. Can you see? Create new. We have video, photo, collage. So create on video. So right here you get to like allow all. So then you choose the video you want to edit over here. So let me go to the video part. I'll just click on video right here. So assuming I want to edit this video, I'll click on check right here. Then it has been added up for us. So just come here and click on next. Click on OK. Can you see this is the video right here? So this is a video I made for my other YouTube channel. So eventually you want to edit this video, I'll be showing you some features which you can use on InShot as a beginner. So ensure you pay attention so you don't miss any part of the tutorial. So the very first feature I'll be showing you guys is how to add text to your videos. How to add text to your videos. So for you to add text to your video, just come over where you have this text button right here. You can see every feature you need to edit on InShot is over here. Can you see that? So just swipe through and you see whatever you want to use for your editing. So tap on where you have text right here. Once you do that, you can see we have sticker, text, caption, AI speech. So just click on text. Then right here you get to type the text you want to type. Kindly subscribe. Can you see? That's added. So and once you're done with your editing or with writing the text, then you click on this check button right here. So let's just do one or two editing before we click on the check button. So assuming I want to change the color of the text, I'll just come here and tap on this. If I want to change the font, I click here. You get, so let's change the color, then you get to see the difference. So I just choose red. Can you see? It has been changed to red. The fonts, let's choose another font. Let's choose this Bebas. So I'll just tap on it. Can you see? The font has been changed also. So then I'll click on this check button right here. It means we've added an edited text to the video. So you can also drag the text up to the point where you want it to be on the video. And also you can also drag this, you can drag this to extend it. What this do is that, what it does is that it makes the text appear throughout the video up to the point whereby you drag it to. So you can see now the text is showing throughout the video. Can you see that? So I guess you now understand how to add text to your videos. You can also go ahead and add stickers. You can add captions. You can see right here on this video, I have a caption right here on the video. So you can also make use of this caption feature to add captions to your video on InShot. So that's that about that. So let's move ahead to the second feature on InShot, which is how you can add audio to your videos on InShot. So like I said, every feature you need is right here. So you can see we have audio right here. So just tap on audio. Then if you want to add music, this is where you do that. If you want to add effects, you can see the second one says effects. Then we have record, we have AI speech. So peradventure I want to add a music. I'll tap on music right here. Then I get to like search for a music from the InShot library. So you can see they have a lot of music over here. So just tap on anyone you want to use and add it to the video you're editing. Do you understand that? And if you want to add effects, come over to where you have effect right here. Then you get to see, you can see there are several effects right here. You can see we have countdown, we have zipper, electronic Christmas, so many of them. So assuming we want to add countdown, I'll just tap on countdown right here. Can you see?
3, 2, 1.
Do you see that? So just click on this plus button and then it gets added to the video for you. Same way with the music. Do you get? So that's very simple, and that's basically how you get to add sounds to your videos, how you get to add audios to your videos. So you can see once you're done adding the audio, just click on this check button. So let me show you guys how you can add overlay to your videos. Overlay are used when you want a video or an image should appear on the main video that is playing. You know those videos you see on Facebook or YouTube that a video plays on another video, more like all those reaction videos. So this is where you do it. But on this app, it is not called overlay, it is called peep. So for you to add that, come over to where you have peep right here. Can you see? So just choose whatever you want to add to the video. Peradventure I want to add this. move it to wherever you want the flyer to be. You can also reduce the size of the flyer by pinching this in. Do you see that? Then move it to the point you want it to be. So you can also drag the flyer out. You can drag the image out so that it shows throughout the video. Mind you, if it's a video you added, you can't drag a video out. It can only be dragged to the point where the video limit is. Then once you're done with that, you click on this check. Whenever you do any editing and you are done, always click on this check so that it gets added to the video for you. So once I click on the check, now you can see. Can you see that? So that's how you get to add overlay or peep, like it is called on Inshot, to your videos. So let's proceed to talk about how you can add stickers to your videos on Inshot. So I think we've talked about that earlier on under the text feature, but then we still have sticker as a feature on its own. So just come over to where you have sticker right here. Then you get to see several stickers you can add. Well, it took us back to the earlier feature. Can you see? So you click on sticker and you get to see several sticker. So you can see we have several sticker right here. So you can add anyone that you feel matches what you want to create. So once the sticker loads, then you choose anyone you want to choose and you click on this check button again and it gets added to your video for you. I guess you're understanding me, guys, and I guess you're getting value. So let's now talk about how you can add effects to your videos on Inshot. So for you to add effects, it's simple. You can see right here we have effect right here. You know, I said anything you need is right here on your screen. So just choose on effect, click on effect right here. So you can see we have effect, AI effect, we have filter, we have adjust. So choose on effect, then you get to see several effects over here. So assuming I want to choose this slow zoom, I'll tap on it.
Betrayal in the heart of Rome.
Did you see how the video zoomed out? Like how it zoomed out? So once I'm done with that, I can now click on this check button and that's done. Let's click on tremble so that you can see the difference.
Betrayal in the heart of Rome.
Do you see that? You can see how the video is shaking, it's trembling. So once you're done with any editing, you just click on the check button. You can also click on this original to like remove what you just added. So I'll click on the original right here and it has been removed for us. So I'll just click on check button and go back to the default video. So you can also make use of the filter feature right here. Peradventure you want to add filter to your videos, just tap on filter. Then you get to see several filters right here. You can see we have bright, pink, latte, vintage, moody, so many of them. So just choose anyone that works for you so that your videos get to look identical. Once you're done with that, you check it. I guess you're understanding me, guys. So now let's talk about one important feature, which is how you can split your videos. Peradventure you want to delete a part of a video, that is when you use the split feature. So once you split that video, you get to delete the part you want to delete and you're done with that. So just tap on the video itself. Once you tap on it, then right here you look for where you have split. Can you see split right here? So once you split it, can you see it has been splitted for us? So move forward again, then split it again. So now we have a part of the video that has been split out for us. So you can delete this part. Peradventure there's an error right here by clicking on delete. You can also reduce the volume of this part. You can see we have volume. Once you click on the split out part, you can see every feature right here. It means that whatever you add right here only applies to the splitted out part. I guess you understand my English, right? So that's how you get to do that. You can speed it up, you can delete, you can reduce volume, increase volume, you can animate it, you get so many things you can do. So and that's that about that. So let's just click on delete so we'll get to see what it appears like. I'll click on delete. Do you see that it has been deleted, guys? So that's how you get to split. And again, you can also use the split feature to add transitions to your video. Peradventure you want to add transition, so let's tap on the video, then you split. So can you see? So tap on the white button that appears after you split. So once you tap on that, can you see we have so many transitions right here? So choose anyone that applies to you and add it to your video. Once you choose anyone, you click on this check button and it gets added to the video for you. So I don't want to like make this video too long so that I don't get to bore you guys. If I should continue talking about all the features on this application, like we could spend the whole day right here. So what I'll do is I'll make a part 2 of this video. If you want me to make a part 2 of this video, go to the comment section and comment make part 2 of this video. Make part 2 of this video and I'll make that for you. So I'll end this right here. I believe you got value, and I believe as a beginner you should be able to create and edit a very good video using what I explained right here in this tutorial. So once you're done with all your editing, once you're done with every editing you need to do, just click on this export button right here. Can you see? Then it will be saved to your gallery for you. Click on export again. I'll click on don't allow. It's not important. So click on export again. Okay, this I must allow. So let me just click on allow. I'll click on allow. So click on export right here, and you see that the video gets saved to your phone for you. Can you see? Converting videos 10%. So it is saving already. So I don't want to save this video, so I just cancel this. I'll click on cancel, and it should stop saving. Do you want to cancel the video converting? I'll click on yes. So that's it about that. You get that's how you get to save the video to your phone, to your gallery. So if you got value, do it to like this video, drop a comment, and also subscribe to this channel. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.